Welcome to AI Doc YouTube channel. And for today's AI Day number 94, I will try to do hands-on Dream Machine AI. So we'll try to explore how it works and how it is like superior or equal to other AI tools, AI art generator. So let's try to check. For this, you can sign with your Google account. You can also use Facebook or Discord as well. So I first time I'm using, and it says it has around 50 credits which will expire. Okay, it will replenish every 12 hours. So after 9 hour it will again regenerate. So we can create around 16 images and 3 videos. So let's try to check how it works. So for this like recently I have we have seen uh, new uh, video generator is Vivo 3. So I will try to compare both prompts in like for Vivo 3 we have already have prompt available in their YouTube uh, uh, videos videos. So let's try to use that, and I will try to compare both. VO3 used by so many channels that original channel I am not able to see. Okay, let's try to check this one. Prompt is I'm not sure if this like huge prompt it will select or not. Let's try to check. Taking time. Imagine bot. So still loading. Okay, so here I can try faster. Okay, for we video generate we can. Okay, I will use first image. Then here we can use different. Okay, this is good. So imagine we can use different models of clean pixels, helio AI, Google View 2. These are pro this for this required pro version. So uh, no option, but need to go with imagine version 3. Let's try to check. Insufficient credits. Okay, so I have not I just generated one single image, and it's already said that it's exhausted. And okay, I already used 10 3 images. I can see that, but what about video? I think I have generated one video. Need to check where I can see the gallery. I have not used earlier, so I'm just trying to check, trying to explore this. Output looks very like fascinating and like we'll try to go for smaller prompt. Okay. There is no single creation I have created, but it seems I have used like uh, video generation part. Uh, Not sure where I can see the my work, but I am not able to see the any generated video at all. Okay. Imagine sketch. We can share screen. Also, we can use our camera as well here. History. Okay. This I think this are created by me earlier. I'm not sure when I use that, but maybe in like few months or weeks back. Okay. We can train model. I think it's taking more time to load a website first in place, and because of that, I'm not able to see any work I have generated, and because of that, I think I only saw a few images which I have created, but nothing any of video. Here it says that two video I have generated, but I only generated none as of now. I can see I haven't generated none. So also there is no like space available for to view previous one. So next time music, we can turn crop ticking into. Okay, let's try to see this how it works. Okay, our output is ready now. It's very slow, very slow. Good output. uh, my inspiration, my creation, we can take I think remix previously available from library music as well. Music studio, voice studio, text to speech, remove, voice cloning, we can clone your voice as well, sound effect, voice isolator, so text to speech, text to is output 7. All your previous text to speech output. Okay, start typing here or paste any text you want to turn into lifelike speech. Wait a minute. Come to okay, so we have 40,000 credit for voice, it seems, and we can access, we can generate in different languages, and here we have different voice which I haven't think of earlier, and we can also upload voice as well. So instead of like listening from it, it is better to directly download and listen it.
Hi all, welcome to AI Ad Hoc YouTube channel. And let's start today's new AI topic.
Good. So we have checked music, vision, sketch, image, video part, and video generation 2 is now there are only 0, and image creation is 3. Let's try to use that as well. Imagine shots. I don't have any like credits for uh, video. Imagine for team, so we can create we need to fill this form, so we can with shots, like work on this image creation with our teams as well. So the only a problem I faced with this imagine art is that it's very slow, and there is no history button available as of now. Here you can use prompt or image, or prompt is already available with setting, model, and aspect ratio. Uh, Migration. Okay, I think I will stop here for today this hands-on. Overall, this imagine art is very looks promising, and from outputs already available in their gallery, it's very good, and like it seems it is as per prompt. Only thing is website is very slow, and they have like we can't see history button available where we can see the previous already generated our works. They have different features for like sketch, music, voice, which we have tried, and overall it's good. Your rewards. So, and also you can use API as well. So yeah. So that's it today for AI day number 94. Let's meet next time with another interesting topic. Thank you.